Uh, Hello, Nadeking. It's Euclidnix here again. I sent you a video a few days ago with idea of a Molotov from here on almost city spawn to dark. And now there is another one that you can make from this pillar to the region of the old truck and exploit the magical Molotov with the skybox. So first one, you need to stuck in this pillar, crouch, and then align the pillar with this region of the wall, like that need to be aligned. So like this, and then still crouch. You need to aim in this dot sting here and put a little bit to the left, just the molo don't hit the pillar. Almost here, I think. And then left click, casual left click. The molo you fly over here. For after planes is pretty good. I will throw. I think she burns right here. So that is it. Sorry for my bad English. It's not my native language. But thank you again.